The arts. What's your favorite type of art? Do you like films, sculptures, paintings, books, or even architecture? Let's take a look at some famous examples of different types of arts. Avatar was directed by James Cameron in 2009. It was a very popular film with amazing special effects. The film made the most money of all time and won 3 Academy Awards. Michelangelo is one of the most famous sculptors, painters, and architects of all time. He sculpted the statue David between 1501 and 1504, before he was even 30 years old. You can see it at the Galleria dell'Accademia in Florence, Italy. The Bayterek Tower in the capital city of Kazakhstan was designed by the British architect Norman Foster. The 105-meter-tall monument is based on a folktale about a tree of life, Bayterek, and a magic bird called Samruk. Café Terrace at Night was painted by Vincent van Gogh in 1888. Van Gogh was a Dutch painter who, even though he didn't make much money from his art in his lifetime, went on to become one of the most influential painters of all time. Moby Dick was written by Herman Melville in 1851. The novel tells the story of Captain Ahab, who is looking for revenge on Moby Dick, a huge white whale that bit off his leg on a previous voyage. Are you familiar with all these? Which one is your favorite?